Welcome to the ultimate human body quiz. Test your knowledge and discover fascinating facts about the human body. Are you up for the challenge? Let's dive in and see just how much you really know. What is the body's largest organ? Is it the heart, the liver, or the skin? The correct answer is C, skin. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Is it the femur, stapes, or tibia? Yeah, B, stapes. Which blood type is considered the universal donor? Is it AB, O, or A? Correct, it's B, O blood type. Where is insulin produced in the body? Is it the pancreas, the liver, or the kidneys? Correct answer is A, pancreas. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum, hypothalamus, or medulla oblongata? Yeah, correct. It's A, cerebellum. Which muscle allows you to breathe involuntarily? The hamstrings, the biceps, or the diaphragm? That would be C, diaphragm. What is the purpose of red blood cells? Carrying oxygen, fighting infections, or digesting food? Yeah, correct. A, carrying oxygen. Which gland regulates metabolism in the body? Is it pituitary, adrenal, or thyroid? That's right, C, thyroid. What is the technical term for the voice box? Is it pharynx, larynx, or trachea? Correct answer is B, larynx. Which part of the eye gives it its color? Would that be the pupil, the iris, or the retina? Correct, it's B, the iris. What is the average body temperature in Celsius? Is it 37 degrees Celsius, 38.5 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Celsius? That's right, it's A, 37 degrees Celsius. Which bones articulate with the humerus to form the elbow joint? Femur and fibula, radius and ulna, or scapula and clavicle? Correct, it's radius and ulna. What is the main function of the kidneys? Filtering blood, producing hormones, or storing urine? It's A, filtering blood. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory and learning? Is it the frontal lobe, the occipital lobe, or the hippocampus? Correct answer is C, hippocampus. What is the name of the longest bone in the human body? Is it the femur, the tibia, or the fibula? That's right, A, the femur. What is the primary function of the respiratory system? Pumping blood, exchange of gases, or digesting food? It's B, exchanging of gases. Which hormone is often called the stress hormone? Is it testosterone, estrogen, or cortisol? That's correct. It's C, cortisol. What is the approximate number of bones in the adult human body? Is it 206, 180, or 220? The correct answer is 206. Which part of the human brain controls voluntary movements? Would that be the cerebellum, the parietal lobe, or the temporal lobe? Correct answer is A, the cerebellum. Which of these is not one of the 4 main taste sensations? Is it sour, bitter, or spicy? That's right, C, spicy. What role does calcium play aside from bone strength? Would it be blood pressure, muscle and nerve, or vision? That's right, B, muscle and nerve. Why do you get goosebumps on skin sometimes? Is it heat, emotions or cold, or is it dehydration? Yeah, B, emotions or cold. What causes hiccups? Diaphragm contractions, cold drinks, or lack of oxygen? The answer is A, diaphragm contractions. How does the body react to sudden danger? Increased digestion, releases adrenaline, or slows heart rate? That's right, B, releases adrenaline. What is the term used to describe the common pins and needles sensation often felt in limbs? Is it paresthesia, hyperesthesia, or anesthesia? Correct answer is A, paresthesia. Which part of the human brain is primarily responsible for processing visual information? Is it the frontal lobe, the occipital lobe, or the parietal lobe? Correct answer is B, the occipital lobe. What is the medical term for the collarbone? Is it clavicle, scapula, or the sternum? That would be A, clavicle. What is the name of the largest artery in the human body? Is it the aorta, carotid artery, or the femoral artery? Correct answer is A, aorta. Looking at this picture of the brain, which lobe is the arrow pointing at? Is it the occipital lobe, the parietal lobe, or the temporal lobe? It's pointing at B, the parietal lobe. What is the name of the protein responsible for the contraction of muscles in the body? Collagen, myosin, or keratin? The answer is B, myosin. Which gland is often referred to as the master gland in the endocrine system? Is it the pituitary gland, the pineal gland, or the thyroid gland? Correct answer is A, pituitary gland. What is a technical term for the kneecap? Would it be metatarsal, tarsal, or patella? That would be C, patella. Which part of the brain controls hunger, thirst, and body temperature? Hypothalamus, amygdala, or cerebellum? That's correct, A, hypothalamus. What is the scientific term for the windpipe? Would it be bronchus, trachea, or is it alveoli? The correct answer is B, trachea. What is the name of the tough, fibrous tissue that connects muscle to bone? Is it the tendon, the ligament, or the cartilage? That would be A, tendon. What is the name of the hormone that regulates the body's metabolism? Is it insulin, glucagon, or thyroxine? Correct answer is C, thyroxine. Which blood vessels carry oxygenated blood away from the heart? Is it the veins, the arteries, or the capillaries? That would be B, arteries. What percentage of your body is composed of water? Would it be 50%, 60%, or 80%? The correct answer is B, 60%. On average, how many taste buds are present on an adult human tongue? 2,000, 5,000, or 10,000? Yeah, that's right, C, 10,000. How many teeth does an average adult have, including both baby and permanent teeth? Is it 28, 30, or 32? The correct answer is C, 32. Tell me in the comments how many questions you got correct, and please give this video a thumbs up if you had fun. Thank you so much for playing.